Hi guys, Samantha from Consignment Chats here. I just want to show you real quick how I block my schedule to make sure that I get all of my reselling tasks done throughout the day and things that I need to work on. And I had this beautiful blank task calendar open and I figured this is the perfect time. So first off, I'm going to set these days to a work week. So we're not going to include weekends just to make it a little bit easier. We're going to look at times. So I know that I need to list for 4 hours a day. I know Libby does a very similar time blocking method, and she's also going to have a video about how she does hers. So you can check that out as well. I need to list for about 4 hours a day. So I'm just going to automatically put that on here. That's like my biggest priority throughout the day is listing. And I'm going to do it. Let's do it in 2-hour time blocks. So we'll say from 10 to 12. It's going to repeat, whoops, not weekly. It's going to repeat every weekday. Good. And then I am going to, whoops, continue. I am going to click on this, go up to these 3 dots and hit duplicate, and it's going to open up the exact same thing. And I'm just going to change, whoops, I'm going to move this over, allow. I'm just going to change the times. So let's do 1 o'clock to, whoops, 3 o'clock. And save. There we go. Now, I like to put in when I get up in the morning and just kind of go right from the get-go. And you don't have to do this. You can have it on your personal calendar. You can have them sync. You don't have to put it on your calendar at all. I like to put it on here just so I know that I'm up at that time and holding myself accountable to like, this is my time to get ready. If I'm not ready by 8, then I don't need to be ready that day. I guess I'm looking like a crazy person. That's fine. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to have this repeat every weekday. Save. Great. So as you go, you can just fill things in, whatever you need to get ready for the day. I like to make sure that I'm going for a walk and have my lunchtime. And then I also like to make sure that, once a week, I'm going to take, maybe not once a week, but a couple times a week, I'm going to take care of emails and messaging. Definitely Monday. Like you definitely have to take care of that on Monday. You can take care of it every day. You can do it every other day. I'm going to put on here, you can customize it. And I'm going to put every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To repeat every week. Save. I also need to make sure that, and messaging actually is really only going to take me like a half hour. So I can just drag it and change it. And then it's going to say, do you want to change just this one or this and all the future ones or everyone in here? Well, we just made it. So it's going to be everyone in here or all future. All right. So those are half hour. And then I really want to make sure that the last hour of the day, I'm taking care of my inventory. So I'm putting away anything I've listed for the day. I'm organizing and resetting and just make sure that everything is put away. And that has made a major change in the way I do things. Now you can also change the colors for any of these. When you click on them and you want to change them, you can just hit that little pencil to edit. You can change the color. Maybe you want this one to be a different color. All events of this type. Boom, my afternoon listing is a different color. You can drag these around. So if I end up making a dentist appointment for my daughter on Wednesday, I can move my listing and say, okay, I need to make sure I'm only moving this event. I need to make sure that I get my listing done in the morning. A lot of times I'll do some listing in the morning and then I'll do my afternoon listing after my family goes to bed. So I can drag that around. And then that way you can add things or move however you need to. Of course, my consignment chats, meetings, and all things consignment chats are in here. I can sync it with my other calendar. You can add in here so that other calendars, you just log in, do all kinds of stuff. You can get invited to it, whatever, and then your calendars sync and you can have all your stuff together. But that is how I take care of my schedule and block times off. You can have them as small as 5 minutes and you can have them block the whole day, however you want to. But just that is how I can do it in here and really see each week I go through and I see my personal stuff with my consignment chat stuff with everything. And I make sure that all my purple spots and all of my business spots are not overlapping with anything else. I'm giving it the time that it needs and I am putting that effort into my business. If you have any questions, let me know below. Like I said, go watch Libby's because she's going to show you even more things that you can do. And she really likes the task part of Google Calendar. So she can show you how to put in different tasks and have them remind you daily and all that stuff that I actually don't like seeing at all because it distracts me too much. So there you go. Have a great day. See you later.